आपण बा आपण को नियर एंड डियर किए भी एमएलएम बा डायरेक्ट सेलिंग रे अछंती कि बा पास्ट रे थिले कि फ्यूचर रे रहबा को चाहुचंती दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू चेंज योर लाइफ दिस इज गोइंग टू गिव अ न्यू पर्सपेक्टिव on looking at marketing your direct selling products आपण जानी कि आश्चर्य हेबे 99.96% of the network marketers fail only 0.04% succeed but why only 0.04% succeed they do something differently they do the same network marketing but differently. I am going to give you 3-step digital marketing formula that will change the way you do network marketing. Network marketing by MLM में हमारा goal कौन था? To sell the product and those who buy the product, some of them should join with us and promote that business. ये दीटा है goal हमारा, right? So what is the problem then? Trust. The lack of trust on person and the company is the most problem in getting into the business, in getting success in the business. Past history रे initial stages रे किछि लोगों को ट्रस्ट थिला बट द 99% फेल दैट मीन्स एवरीबडी नोज दैट नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग इज ए फेल्योर मॉडल दैट इज द रियल प्रॉब्लम इन योर सक्सेस सो व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन इज दैट यू बिल्ड ट्रस्ट बिफोर प्रोस्पेक्टिंग काहाकू प्रोडक्ट सेल करिबा पूर्वरु बा आपन को सहित जॉइन करिया पई कहिबा पूर्वरु यू बिल्ड ए ट्रस्ट जदि योर फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट आपन को ट्रस्ट करे आपन को विश्वास करे आपन जहा कहिले से मानिबो देन हाउ ट्रस्ट बिल्ड केमिति हबो यूजिंग डिजिटल मार्केटिंग वी आर गोइंग टू अचीव ऑल दोस थिंग्स. So here begins the 3-step formula. First one, develop yourself as a product expert. जदि आपण for example herbal life को promote करूछंती you are a wellness coach or you are a fitness expert. Can you prove it? You need to prove yourself as a weight loss coach or as a wellness expert. If you can prove yourself, then people will start following you. Once you become an expert to some extent, then start showing the world that you are an expert and your mission is to help people in achieving or solving their most urgent problem using your expertise. For example, I am an expert in digital marketing and my mission is to achieve your goal using digital marketing. It is my mission. It is my life mission. So, when you get expertise in something, now project the world and tell the world that you are an expert in weight loss and you want to help everyone in losing their weight using your expertise. Now begins the third stage, the real war. Continue. छुआ न कांदिले मा क्षीर दौनी सो सिमिलरली आपण एक्सपर्ट अछंती बट हाउ डू आई नो हाउ डू द मास नो दैट यू आर एक्सपर्ट you need to run some advertisements good quality high converting advertisements will get you lots of appointments and once you get appointments with the most interested prospect, you are ready to fly. So now we are going to see each step one by one. Are you ready? Video sesa parjanto dekhantu. Believe me, this is going to change your life. जदि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करि नाहंती ताले सब्सक्राइब करि दियंतु. I regularly post such kind of most required digital marketing videos. So step 1, become a product expert. I will take an example of weight loss coach. Now you have decided to become a weight loss coach. Get trainings from the best people. Attend courses, attend webinars, learn from blogs, follow experts, get expertise from the product you choose. If you choose something that is related to weight loss, get an expert in weight loss, become an expert in weight loss, and try to get some certifications also. Government of India ba Government of Odisha ru नहेले मध्य आपण other certifications easily अलगा जगह रू पाई परिबे. Nobody is worried about आपण certification IIT or NIT रू आनचंदी because you are not going to get a job. You need a certification to prove that you are skilled. Get some certifications, right? Now, once you have a good knowledge, create insightful, most useful, most problem solving contents. For example, I am creating this content to solve your most important problem, that is marketing your product. So if you have decided to be a wellness coach, then create beautiful, branded and most interesting, most useful content, video or blog or infographics to solve your problem of your prospect. If you are working on weight loss, make videos how to lose weight in 30 days or lose 10 kg in 30 days, but make sure at least majority of the people who watch your video and try, they succeed. Unless they succeed, you cannot succeed. You cannot fool people. People are smart, you cannot fool them, right? So now we are done with first step. You are a product expert and you have created useful and most problem solving contents. Now it's time to tell the world that you have. Then जदि कौन सी जिनस आपनकर अछि आपण कहबाक चाहउछन्ती केमिति कहिबे, the traditional way देखा हेले कहिबे. So you are telling in your face. Now you need a digital face. जो digital face रे आपण दुनिया को कहि परिबे, I am an expert, this is my content. Then your digital face will be your website. Create your personal website and personal blog. You see, most of the successful people, they have their personal website. Your Sonu Sharma, he has a personal website, he writes in blogs and creates beautiful contents. Deepak Bajaj, he has personal websites, he also creates beautiful contents. Now it's your turn. If you want to be in the 0.04%, then you have to do what the 0.04% is doing, right? So create your world-class personal website and blog. Publish all your contents regularly. At least once a week you must publish a problem solving content. Your content, your blog or video or infographics should solve the most urgent problem of your future prospect. Don't solve problems, solve most urgent problems. जदि कौन सी काम हमारा most urgent न होची हमें करूने, then how do you expect your prospect to do it? If you are able to solve their most urgent problems, then only they will act on your advice. Okay, so now आपण post कले आपणकर blog and website रे. Then you post in your social handles. Use the social networks like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Quora, Pinterest, all kind of social networks you can use. but make sure that social network looks branded. It promotes you as an expert in your field. The photographs you use, the text you write, the post you makes sure all are world class. ताकू देखिले जनकू लागुथिबो जे yes, this person is an expert. Correct? Make personal website on your name. If your name is Sandhya Das, try to make your website sandhyadas.com if it is available. Most of the time it will be available. Get .com domain. Here I will give a safety tips. When you buy a domain, use your own email ID and own mobile number in purchasing it. This is most important safety tip. Write it down. So now comes the step 3. You are an expert now by step 1. By following step 2, you became an influencer. You have posted your contents everywhere and now people are benefited from your contents. Make sure they get benefit. You cannot fool people, as I told. Make sure all your content solves problems. So now the step 3. Now it's the time to ignite the fire. The advertisements. Create highly converting lead ads. Conversion based lead ads using Facebook or YouTube or Google. Initially you can start using Facebook. That in my experience, Facebook has the most prospects of your requirement. Create advertisements using Facebook conversion ads. Use smart integration of landing pages with Facebook ads and scheduling softwares. You create an ad on Facebook. Now your prospect sees it. Targeting is most important. Make sure you target the right audience. Ads showing to the wrong audience is mere waste of money and time. Dhanna hani prana pida. So make sure your ad shows the right audience. You create an ad. It was shown to a right audience and the audience click on the ad. The future prospect clicks on that. Now he goes to the landing page. In the landing page, आपनकर जहाँ कारनामा अछि सबु देखंतु. That I am an expert in weight loss and so prove that you are an expert. The world class contents you have created, so there. The testimonials you have, video testimonials, so there. Then the entire motto of that landing page is 2 things. 1, filter out unnecessary leads. You are interested in leads those who are most interested in your solution. Those who are in most need of your solution. So the landing page will filter leads. Second and most important work that landing page will do for you is to get the most interested leads for you. So now from the landing page, the prospect is convinced and he clicks on scheduling an appointment with you. That landing page is to tell the prospect that you are going to solve some of his problem. For example, if you are a weight loss coach, you can make a schedule for schedule a free consultation with me to lose weight or to lose 10 kg in 60 days. Make it realistic. Make sure whoever consults with you gets the result. So the motto of the advertisement will be schedule a free consultation to lose 10 kg in 60 days. User clicks on that ad, comes to landing page. Now from the contents in landing page, he is convinced that you can help him. Now he clicks on schedule appointment. When he clicks on schedule appointment, he will go to a scheduling software. From that scheduling software, he will book an appointment. Once he, based on the slot availability. If you select 2 hours 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. 6 p.m. then the scheduling software will manage everything. It will book an appointment. Now the appointment is booked and you are in front of the prospect. Once appointment is booked, you will get the notification with all details. You can follow up with him, make sure he arrives on time. In my experience, 70% of the people who book will arrive on time and will be ready to take your advice. Now since you are an expert, whatever advice you give, they will try to apply it if they are convinced. Make sure you solve their problems. For God's sake, don't show plans. You are there, your mission is to solve their problem and their requirement is solve their problem. Nobody is here to see the plan or show the plan. Once he is convinced with your solution, he will use your product because your solution is based on your product. So if he is convinced, he will use your product. Once he starts using your product, that benefits him. The next stage you can tell him to join with you. Most probably he will join. Clear? So here you got the strategy how to get prospects using your product and joining with you. Here are some calculations. If you follow the principles, the methods I tell, and you run a conversion ads effectively, then you can get an appointment within 20 rupees to 50 rupees. Taking at the higher side, if it is free consultation, paid will be higher. Free consultation, taking the higher side, you will spend, if you spend 500 per day, you will get 20 appointments. The consultation period can be 15 minutes. Higher is not good. 15 minutes is good enough to go. And if 50% of those people are motivated to use your product, if you are able to motivate 10 people out of 20, 15%, and the average purchasing cost is 1000 rupees, you get a 10,000 turnover per day. And at the 20% profit rate, you are earning 2000 per day. So by spending 500, you are earning 2000 per day. That means 1500 profit per day. This is the tier 1 profit. But the real profit is from the 10%. If 1% joins with you, that is going to give you a very high boost. That means monthly 30% are going to join with you. And they are not the persons who are joining by compulsion. They are joining by their interest. Their problem is solved. Now they are on the mission to solve others' problems. They will be the most interested workers of the team. Clear? जदि भल लगुची ताले कमेंट रे जणांतु आ वीडियो को लाइक मध्य करंतु. So now here comes another problem. In this period of the video, I told you need websites, you need landing pages, you need insightful contents, you need ad campaigns, you need scheduling softwares. But how to do that? You need a mentor, or you need a coach, you need a guide who can guide you throughout the journey. You need to do some courses to learn this digital marketing. You need someone, some guru who can help you step by step with this, who can guide you at every point of time, who is interested to see you growing. Right? So you need to find someone. Now you have the strategy. You need to implement it. You need to find someone who can guide you in implementing this. If you want my guidance, my mentorship, I am here to help you. My mission is to help everyone, every Odia person to grow using digital technology. मो जीवन लक्ष्य ही प्रत्येक ओडिया लोकन को मोटिवेट करिबा, हेल्प करिबा डिजिटल टेक्नोलोजी बा डिजिटल मार्केटिंग यूज करिबा पई मु गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर रे जॉब करूथला आई एम ए मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर बाय प्रोफेशन बट आई हैव लेफ्ट दैट जॉब I am passionate about digital technology. I am passionate about digital marketing. And I am here with a mission to help each and every ODI person to grow using digital marketing. So, I am here to help you too. जदि आप चाहूँगी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग को इम्प्लीमेंट करने आपणकर MLM but network marketing journey re, I am here to help you. You can WhatsApp me on this number. You can join my course. I have given link in the description. I am here to help you at every stage. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to share this. Every network marketer is in need of this video, is in need of the strategy to use digital marketing. Everyone in your team is in the need of this one. So let's grow together. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining me through this video. Thank you very much.